Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. What can I say about today's recipe? If you like chorizo, you like chicken and you like potatoes, you're gonna love it. And it's a very good way of using up any leftover chicken you have. And this recipe also has the added bonus for me, it always puts my wife in a good mood. No big deal there, you might think, but let me tell you, living with my wife in a bad mood is like living with a fascist dictator who's got toothache. Anyway, on with the cooking. And to do this, the first thing we do is boil the potatoes till they're about 80% cooked and just speared well with a fork. Then remove from the heat, drain and reserve. Then heat some oil in a frying pan, add the chorizo and fry off for a minute or two. After the chorizo has had about 2 minutes in the pan, it's time to add the peppers, leeks, chilies and garlic, and again fry off for a minute or two. Then when the veggies have softened, it's time to add in the leftover chicken. Of course, you could use fresh chicken in this recipe as well, just make sure it's cooked through before you put the potatoes in. After the chicken have been in the pot for a minute, it's time to add the potatoes and thoroughly mix through. Then it's time to add the cream cheese. Thoroughly mix together and continue to cook until everything's piping hot. Then you're ready to serve. And that's one tasty dinner for a damp, wet winter's evening. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.